Alright. So tell the people what y'all thought about the little workout.
It was alright.
I like.
What you think, Zay?
I like jump
I need to grab the
rope,
other
Mom.
one.
I like the
seat.
I like the punching bag.
Mom.
Candyman punching bag.
I did before.
No.
Come on, get your foot.
Mom.
Who y'all?
I like the
You used to be destructive too. Right along with Zay. That's where
I
Zay
like
get
the
it from.
jump rope and the
He was way. He still is way
For the
more.
ball. Okay, so
The only things
I
I
don't
think I play
have
with.
the brochure in here, but when MarMar and Xavier was at their doctor visit, they told me both my kids was overweight and need to lose some weight. And they gave me this pamphlet where I could go to, I don't even know the name of the place, but for ages 10 to 21.
I'm 21. I'm not 21. I'm not 1.
You don't have to have insurance, although most kids have insurance.
I'm not.
You don't have to go to the doctor they go to go there. And it's a little fitness thing with treadmills and other little workouts. And the lady will come up with a workout of the day, and she go over a workout. So if you say it's free for kids in Genesee, or it's for kids in Genesee County, and it's free. So if you stay in Flint and you're in the Genesee County area and you're watching this video, it is. I'm just gonna put the name up because I can't think of it now. And take your kids there, and they're gonna give you some other pamphlets of some other things that your kids can do free around the city of Flint. To keep
There was 4.
safe,
And I gave it was
active,
16-inch pack,
healthy,
and I gave half
entertained, all that stuff.
So you got 12 and I got 12.
Thumbs
I got
up
you.
if you like the video, and we can make more videos of them
See those
working out,
things?
and I will charge my phone so I can show you. I did plan on vlogging, but I just did it.
Y'all see these?
Oh wow, that's nice. Dang, it's harder than mine. Probably because I got fat on mine, y'all, but I got definition because when I pick up the heavyweights, you can see the muscle. It's there. Dang, my is solid. Mine's soft.
Trying to shake
here.
How about mine?
But it's there. It's muscle. I could probably outlift MarMar.
You probably can. I can't even lift myself really. I can't
lift
but I can't.
myself either.
I can't lift myself.
I don't know.
We're gonna have to do a lift off with deadlift, but first I gotta train you on proper technique so you don't hurt your back. But me and MarMar are gonna do a lift off. I might can't outrun you, but I can outlift you.
Look.
What's the treadmill over there? Mom, what's over there?
Yep. This is, she gonna have y'all do these right here.
I'm not doing that. I don't have to listen to her.
Want me to hold it still for you? No. Okay. Okay. Let's try this.
Oh wow, so you like a pro boxer, man. You want to box for real? You want to box for real?
I held it still for you. Mom, you have it? Mom, what's that standing?
Mm-hmm.
13. No.
You right?
You hit yourself in the head? Nah. That's like the treadmill we had at home. No, baby, if you don't touch the treadmill, because next time I'll leave you home with your daddy.
Cool. Cool.
Come back over this way. Carlton, go back over this way, or else I'll go drop you off to your daddy.
You should be sitting or standing for your overhead press.
Really?
Yes. Just like I showed you. It's this one.
Okay. Sorry.
That's okay. This is for another program that we host here on this floor. It's MSU Extension students that put it on. And these are all the different topics that they do. This is every other Thursday. So if any of those topics interest you for any of the kids, you can bring them. And these are free
That's I
programs.
work every Thursday right now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
You work late?
Yeah, 10 to 10.
Oh,
EMT. But we should be coming up for another shift, or this is finna end. Because I'm sure we're going to have a winter shift bid soon.
Another thing we have going on, I don't have a flyer for it right now, but Flint Kids Cook. It's on Wednesdays.
Where is it?
And it's here. The next session, they're in the middle of a session now. The next one won't be till August. But if you keep coming, I'll have like the flyers and stuff when they're ready. So if anybody's interested in cooking,
I'm always looking for like free stuff for them to do. It's like so much free stuff. Why pay for stuff?
Have you ever looked at the Commit to Fit calendar?
The what?
Commit to Fit?
Back and forth with our diet, like so bad. It's like they say don't eat grain for paleo, don't eat meat for vegan. Only eat organic, don't eat this veggie.
I think we can make it too complicated. Like really simple, but we overthink it. I don't know.
I just decided to go with what's easier. I fast because I got weight to get off. And then I just do the meat. I have some meatless days and try to cook and try to do less salt and less sugar.
Oh my gosh.
And more veggies. You see how to stretch today? You see the stretching? I'm gonna record these so you can look at them. Yep, and even on days we go to the wire, you can still do them. Ooh, I might try this select. Never heard of electric stepper. Huh? Huh?
So this one, gotta look very carefully, okay?
Look, listen, look up.
Listen very carefully. This machine has been broken twice because kids pull it back and then it slips out of your hand and it snaps into this or this, okay? So you have to have a good grip on there. And if you let it go, I'm just gonna kick you off it, okay? No insult meant, but.
Go that way, up the way.
Okay, so you gotta turn this one on. There's your time.
Nope, you can't. No jump ropes. Electric steppers. I'm gonna try this out myself. Oh, they do got jump ropes. Huh? They do have jump ropes. I see if you can use it. That's a stepper. Don't mess with it, Carlton. Go have a seat. They gotta be 10 to do this.
Oh yeah.
You doing good, MarMar. You've been keeping to the schedule. Good job. Carlton. Oh. You be first.
No, I can't be my eye first.
Okay, Carlton, go first.
Yeah.
Girl, ladies first. So we're gonna let the little lady go first.
Do not hit me in my eye.
Well, you know, ladies go first. So you want to go first? All right.
Tell me to go, Ma.
And go. Jump too early. When the rope get right here. You don't look back for the rope. Look forward. Once you see the rope right here, that's when you jump. Okay? All right. Good job. Keep it just like that and you'll get it. Stand to the middle of the rope. Yep. There you go. Oh, you gotta keep jumping, mommy. You got the first one. I don't think the rope hit you though.
Go.
Carlton, you turning too fast.
No, it's not. I know.
That's a hard floor, dude.
No, not you. You stay right where you at. We're not moving her. I'm trying to go at the speed she going and we're gonna go with it. Remember, you gotta see the rope, okay?
You're so fast.
Oh, you
Nice.
Alright, Carlton, get the rope so Mama can get back to work. Or actually, Carly gonna get the rope after she cuts your rope.
What's the elliptical?
That's the back one.
Yes.
My
The
favorite
way
machine.
back ones, yeah.
The step. Hold on, feet move. Alright, come closer, Carly. Carlton, you go right up there. Maybe we're gonna go speed at Carlton, okay?
You gonna do elliptical?
Remember, when you hit
You
right
doing
here,
it?
look, all right, when you see the rope right here is when you jump. Don't watch my arms. When you see the rope in front of you, right here, jump, okay? You ready, Carly?
Yeah.
Good job. That was a good jump. You just barely missed it. Carly, we're gonna go a little slower for you, okay?
Almost.
Almost had it. Carly, Carlton ain't jumping that fast.
Oh, careful.
Hold it tight, okay? Slow. Good job. That was good, Carlton. I think next time you'll get more than one jump. Good job.
Come on, you see, you don't listen.
And then fly that fire.
All set?
And I feel a little bit nauseous too.
Turn sideways.
Just gonna take
Like
this
that.
video.
Look, turn. Face, look, Mama.
It's okay.
Touch
At
Mama.
least I made it. I made it to the end.
Why would you do that? He almost had it, Carly. Oh, I'm stepping up. Carly, turn too fast. So MarMar and Zay, they still in there doing their little circuit set. I think MarMar was on the elliptical when I left. And I'm walking these two to the store. And then we're going to go back and check in on them. I don't know if I'm going to finish recording the little workout because my battery going low on my phone. But if y'all would like to see more, I can show y'all more. That way y'all can see little workouts that y'all kids can do. Any cars coming?
No.
Alright, let's go.
Me not do one car.
And I'm letting Carlton walk the dog because the dog isn't strong enough to
Dog at all, y'all.
overpower him yet. But it's going to get to a point where,
the dog at all. Yeah, he's gonna get out of it.
well, I'm going to have to let you walk him one day while you still can because he's going to get too big for y'all to walk.
He's not gonna get too big for me to walk.
He's going to get too strong is what he's going to get.
He's not gonna be able to.
I seen a guy today when I was on the trail. He had a weight on his dog, and his dog was pulling the weight. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. Maybe I should get like a little 2-pound or 5-pound weight. Hold on, he might have to use it. Whatever you do, don't let the dog run in the street. I'm kind of paranoid because I don't have much room between the street. So I'm actually going to get the dog at this point. And then when we get back by the parking lot, Carlton, I'll get the dog back, okay?